But I think it's just the challenge of him catching one. But it has gotten better to where they're not coming in there so often. We get charter captains coming in there on their boats. They try to get us. I'm like, you a charter captain? Oh, you a charter captain? You coming in the marina? The best. You know?